Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Goodness gracious, I hate those gunshots. Hope you get on tape and falling off.
Is it okay if I don't see any numbers?
Yeah.
I just see like this red thing flashing.
Yeah, that's what you need. How bad is he?
Not that bad, he said. Probably just...
Oh, hi buddy. It's okay that he's not really... Okay.
There's a truck up there.
God, I almost fell off. Okay, you can stop it. Okay, I'm gonna get in there so you can stop it.